whatever we can do to get you through this process and get your children back home where they belong, that's why we're here.
Anybody that helps me search for my daughters and helps me find my daughters, I consider family.
The National Center for Missing and Exploited Children was opened in 1984 in order to help find missing children, to stop child sexual exploitation and prevent the victimization of children. We provide a myriad of resources from the search for the missing child. We operate a 24-hour call center. We distribute photographs of missing children through a variety of ways, and we help law enforcement in their search. At the same time, though, we're also helping the families while they're enduring this awful episode.
Hanna and Skye are 7 and 9 right now. They were 5 and 7 when they went missing. They're two of the sweetest, smartest little girls that I knew. And I hope and I pray that every day is the day that I get the phone call to come pick my daughters up.
Kayla was taken when she was 9 years old, and now she would be 14 years old. It's not something you could ever be prepared for. How long is this going to go on? You hold on to this hope that you'll see them again. I think the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children reached out to me within the first 2 weeks.
Honestly, they've been the ones who have helped the most get our story out.
The role of a forensic artist can include anything from doing age progressions of long-term missing children, facial approximations from unidentified skeletal remains, really anything to help law enforcement help find a missing child.
And what we're trying to do is spark recognition with the public. All it takes is the right person to see the image.
Time is of the essence in some of these cases, and Photoshop allows us to do these images faster, cleaner. It's crucial to be able to do that.
Collaboration is key because at any point I can send my files to Joe, Christy, or Paloma, get their feedback.
When I got the age progression request for Daniel Marcus, I can totally see these big doe eyes that he has.
The Hunt with John Walsh, the show aired and they got 2 calls in that were reliable, using those age progression photos on the show. That's how we found him. And I'll be forever grateful.
1 in 6 children are found through social media.
That's all it takes is an ordinary person noticing something and making a phone call.
Every time we do one of these cases, we are focused on you and your family and your child.
I would want them to know that we're here and we're here to help.
As soon as I saw them walk in, I recognized John right away, having just worked on his daughter's age progressions.
That was a moment that I'll never forget.
We have a tremendous amount of respect for the work you do because no one else can do that.
To see you guys in person,
Anybody that helps me search for my daughters and helps me find my daughters, I consider family.
Hope is why we're here. We won't stop working until we give the community, parents, families, everything they need to better protect their children.